What are essential emergency procedures for new construction workers? Imagine walking onto a construction site and suddenly hearing a loud alarm. Do you know what to do next? Knowing emergency procedures can make all the difference in staying safe. Construction sites are busy places with many hazards. Fires, medical emergencies, chemical spills, equipment failures, and natural disasters can happen unexpectedly. Being prepared is key to protecting yourself and others. First, new workers need to understand the site layout. They should know where the dangerous zones are and identify escape routes. These routes must be clear and marked with signs. It is important to familiarize yourself with the site's layout during orientation. Every site should have an emergency response plan that everyone can access easily. This plan includes emergency contact numbers for fire services, medical teams, police, and site safety officers. It also shows the safest evacuation routes and designated assembly points away from danger. Training is essential. New workers must learn how to evacuate quickly and safely. They should know how to operate fire extinguishers and use first aid kits. Regular drills are held to practice these skills. These drills help workers stay calm and act efficiently during real emergencies. Construction sites are equipped with emergency supplies like first aid kits, fire extinguishers, radios, and personal protective equipment such as hard hats and reflective vests. Workers should know where these supplies are stored and how to use them properly. Clear communication channels are vital. Workers need to know who to contact first if an emergency occurs. They should also have updated contact lists for emergency services and site supervisors. Quick communication can save lives. Special site conditions requiring extra planning. For example, working at heights or in confined spaces needs specific procedures. Emergency plans should also consider workers with mobility issues or other needs to ensure everyone can be evacuated safely. Emergency procedures should be reviewed regularly. As site conditions change or new hazards appear, plans must be updated. New workers should be briefed on any changes during their onboarding. Mastering these emergency procedures helps new construction workers stay safe and respond effectively. It also shows professionalism and commitment to a safe work environment. Being prepared reduces injuries and keeps everyone protected during unexpected incidents.